Happy Monday, everybody. Hope everybody's going to have a fantastic week this week. Trying something different here. Thought I'd come live in the morning for a change and see who's around. So if you're here and you're joining me live, say something so I can say hi to you. Tell me where you're tuning in from. It's always fun to see everybody coming in from all over the world. Like to see that. If you're watching later, hey Linda, that's my neighbor across the street, who we don't get to see too much because of quarantine, but I get to wave to her every once in a while. But anyways, if you're joining me on the replay, put hashtag replay, and so I can come back and say hello to you. I appreciate you watching. So anybody who's been in the online space for a while, you've probably been told this, like I was told for years, to just keep posting. Just keep posting. It doesn't matter if nobody is liking your posts or if nobody's commenting. People are seeing it. They're just not saying anything, right? They're gonna see it. They're gonna see it, right? Doesn't matter. Keep posting. Post 3 to 4 times a day. I have been told that for years from all different people in the online space. Doesn't matter if anybody's liking your post. Hi Douglas, thanks for hopping on. Well, that's not right. That is totally wrong. And I have learned in the past few months a different way. Hey Vicki, thanks for hopping on. And now my posts are being seen by hundreds and hundreds of people every day. So if you're only getting 1 to 2 likes on a post, like why does this make a difference? I'm gonna explain to you just a little bit why it makes a difference. So if you put something out, it doesn't matter if it's a post about you or your family or your business, whatever your post is about, and you're not getting likes and comments on it, right? Facebook is assuming that it's something that people don't want to see. It's not of interest to people. So it kind of just, sits there, right? And it doesn't get pushed out to many people. Now, if you put a post out and it starts to get a lot of likes, or a lot of people commenting on it, Facebook is now thinking, oh wow, this person's putting out something that people like, maybe it's funny, maybe it has some value to it, maybe it's interesting, maybe people like this person for some reason. So now Facebook is going to push your post out to more people. That's how the Facebook algorithm works. So, hi my friend from Nigeria, nice to see you, thanks for hopping on. I am not going to even try to say your name because I know I will butcher it, so I totally apologize. But anyways, so this is how Facebook works, right? They want people to come on here. Hi Wilfred, thanks for joining. And they want people to stay on Facebook. Well, people are going to stay on Facebook if they're seeing things that Facebook thinks that they want to see, right? And things that are interesting to them. So Facebook isn't going to show people things that they don't think is interesting or providing value or entertainment or anything like that, right? So don't believe those people that say, just keep posting. It doesn't matter if anybody's liking it or commenting. Yes, it does matter. It matters a lot. And if you have an online business or you're in an online space, for some reason to promote a product or whatever you're selling, your own business, your own brand, it's extremely important. Hey, Jerry, thanks for hopping on. So it's extremely important to have people liking and commenting on your post because more people are going to see it. So don't believe those people. It does not work. It's not the right way. And if you're looking for a way to get your posts out there more, to get more engagement, shoot me a message or comment here. I'd be happy to share the program that I'm using. As you can just look at my Facebook page and see how much it's changed. I've totally changed the way I do things, the way I'm posting, how things are doing, different things. So it's totally changed. Now my posts get pushed out to more people. Even my Facebook stories are getting pushed out, and people that I'm not even friends with are seeing, my content, which is extremely important. So anyways, that's what I wanted to come on here and just quickly say to you. I hope this provided you some value and you understand a little bit about how Facebook works and how the algorithm's working. Hey Jen, good to see you. So hey Bonnie, that's all I really wanted to say, is it does matter, and it will make a huge difference in your online presence and your personal brand, right? So I'm going to jump off. Just wanted to do a short little live today. I hope this provided some value to you. And if you have any questions, shoot me a message. I'm happy to answer any questions for you. Hope everybody has a great Monday and a fabulous rest of your week. Go Bills. Talk to you guys later.